so excited. This box is everything. I've been waiting for it. Oh, it's so awesome. Now spend some time. It's great to have some box in a theme in there. I'm so thrilled. I said, oh my god, when I'm gonna get my box. So thank you, Clarks, for appreciation. And in the back, dramatic glitters. I have a single 3D charms handcrafted. I got the flowers this time. The crystals mega mix Halloween. I have all the different colors for perfect theme. I guess single chance of foil. Nail art encapsulate lace. I have an idea for this one. It's in my look at the encapsulate carrot. Oh, look at that, a lollipop. It looks like a lollipop for Halloween. It had some back. And I'm also getting a gel extension cover sample, but so it has all different sizes. It's a perfect fit from the sidewall to the sidewall. It's made of really high quality. Feel it, it just is so solid. Next one, this one I'm so excited. I hold triple palette gels. You can do definitely. Look at how beautiful it is. Odin, like this one alone itself worth the box already. And do some 3D flowers. You can use it for your nail art. You do not want to miss it. So you can use it for your gel extension application. Neon pigment. Pumpkin spice sugar glitter. Hocus pocus dramatic glitter. Looks really good in person. Some instruction Halloween theme. Another stick and 2 pieces.